Hey, let me show you how you can quickly increase sound quality of the Huawei FreeBuds 6i. So first of all, I will highly recommend you to check for the sound quality mode and be sure that you switch from the connection quality to the sound quality mode. And now thanks to this, we just simply switch into the LDAC codec. So this is actually the HD Bluetooth audio codec. And the second option to do this is just to go into the equalizer and pick one of the following preset. For example, if you like bass and you listen to a lot of bass music, just be sure that you switch to this one. And also, maybe it's not actually it's not actually featured in the FreeBuds 6i, but I will highly recommend you to change your streaming service. There's like Tidal, Apple Music, and YouTube Music, and they are actually really good. But the Spotify is probably one of the worst with the low frequency. So there's a lot of different comparison on the YouTube. I will highly recommend you to watch them, and you will be able to actually find a lot of useful information and maybe change your streaming services to this one that actually offers you the best sound quality. And that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe.